Napakasarap ng kinain namin. So this restaurant is called Sac Mai Vietnamese. No, sorry, Sao Mai Vietnamese cuisine. Right there. Super duper sarap. Ang daming kumakain. So, my happy girls.
Mami, pwede po ba minsan nung nag-vlog na po kayo mag-warning?
Oh, sorry. Nagugulat din ako. I'm so surprised.
Kaya po hindi na lang ako nagugulat sa mga trolls kasi
you never look tanga, please.
Mona Lisa, I looked at your face and I was like, Mona
I'm so sorry. Wala yung lagi I never notice people around.
Parang it should be the opposite, no?
Look, seriously, converse. Anyway, kami po ay babalik na muna sa hotel at mag-u-Uber na. So, wow, we love you guys. Gusto ko lang mag-close sa vlog ko. Love you! See you soon!